Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In today's session, I am going to explain how to start the stopped containers and how to stop and restart again that containers using Podman commands full life cycle. In this video, I will explain. And if you didn't watch my previous video like Podman setup, pulling the images and run that images, then go to our YouTube channel Java Classified and go to playlist. In the playlist, you need to watch all the Podman related videos so that you will get the better understanding. So let's go to our screen and in the screen we need to open CMD. So for opening the CMD, we need to press Windows R button from the keyboard. So I'm going to pressing Windows R button. Here we need to type CMD, then we need to enter it. I am entering it, then it will open a CMD command. In here we need to check Podman machines are running or not. First of all, then there is a command Podman machine ls. ls command will check all the machine available or not. So right now only one machine is there in my system and that status is running. You can see here. If that machine is not running, then podman command will not work. So you must know that machine must be running so that podman command will work. Let's check all the images by using podman commands. So podman images. This command is used for seeing all the Podman images, which are Podman images or Docker images. You can say that. Here you can see all three images right now available. So I'm going to check running container. So Podman ps command is used for checking all the running containers. In previous video, I have already explained about Podman ps command. You can watch my previous section. So I'm just entering it. You can see right now this command is running. So and also checking the stopped container as well. So that is the command podman ps-a. This command basically used for checking running and stopped container both. So I'm just entering it. You can see only one container is there and right now it is running. So I'm just going to stop this container. So this is the command podman stop and container ID we need to put here. Then this container will stop. So I'm just entering it. Now this container is stopped right now. So let's check that container is stopped or not. So podman ps command is used for checking running containers. So you can see there is no running container right now because I have just stopped the container of this one Olamma. So I'm just going to check the stopped container as well and running container as well using podman ps-a command. Now you can see there is only one container is there which is stopped. You can see in the status column that is stopped 34 seconds ago. So I want to rerun this container. So in that case you need to use this command podman restart. Podman start command and just pass this container ID. Then it will run that container again. You can see it is up 6 seconds ago. You can also check stopped container as well by using docker ps-a command. You can see here. And here you can also see the status. In the status you can see it is up 15 seconds ago. So I'm just cleaning my screen. You can see in here podman ps command. So right now this container is running and you want to restart this container. Then in that case there is a command that is podman restart. Restart command. First it will stop this container, then again it start that container as well. First First it will stop already running container and then it will again run this container. You can see this command right now in the status. It is showing 38 seconds ago it is up. So I am just using podman restart command. So you can see, yeah, now it is up. So I'm just checking the status of the podman, status of the container. So you can use podman ps command. So now you can see it is up 40 seconds ago, and if you see in the previous command it is running 38 seconds ago. You can see in my screen. So podman start command will use when already container are stopped. Then you need to use start podman start command with container ID or container name. You can give any container ID or container name. And if that container is already running and you want to restart that container, then first it will stopped container, then restart again by using podman restart command with passing the container ID or container name. So in this video I have explained start command, stop command and restart command. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel so that you will get the further update to upcoming videos. So let's see another videos in the upcoming session. Thank you.